Hey, it's Matt with your A1 Extra presented by New Hearing Center. This week, Herald Courier senior writer David McGee has a preview of the upcoming Sunday centerpiece on Health Wagon. Here's David.
Health Wagon was established in 1980 by Catholic nun, Sister Bernie Kenny, and she was helping to deliver health care to a very underserved region of Appalachia, the coalfields, Buchanan, Dickinson County. It has grown over the years. They now have a freestanding clinic. They now have a full staff, doctors, nurse practitioners, and other healthcare providers. They traditionally do primary health care, and they have had an interesting run, let's say, over the last couple of years dealing with COVID-19. In 2021, they saw double the number of patients that they had historically seen. They went from about 4,000 or 5,000 a year to 11,000 patients. They had 35,000 patient encounters last year, so the majority of which were COVID testing, COVID treatment, and COVID vaccinations. They have expended about $1.7 million out of their budget to provide all these services, to pay all this overtime. They have one small clinic plus the infusion center and the mobile units, and they were working at one point 24/7, or basically around the clock 7 days a week to try to help people, because the COVID hit so hard in Southwest Virginia that there was a couple of surges that came through this region. The second most recent one, which was last fall, just really decimated Southwest Virginia, and that's when things really got serious up there. We covered their groundbreaking for a new dental clinic. Dental has been a large part of what they do. They treated over 2,100 dental patients last year. Using I have a full-time dentist, and she was working out of a trailer that you pull behind a pickup truck. They expect that their dental coverage will improve dramatically. They've got that new clinic which will come online this year, and also they are looking at some other ways to try to help educate people and help them maybe get in front of potential healthcare issues before they become a real problem.
That's it for this week's A1 Extra. Make sure you visit heraldcourier.com for the Sunday centerpiece and more reporting and stories of Bristol and Southwest Virginia. Remember to follow along on Instagram and Twitter at Herald Courier. We'll see you next week for another A1 Extra brought to you by New Hearing Center.